Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can minimize your YouTube on iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, get to the settings of your phone and on your settings here, go through the general option, tap on general, and then if you scroll down you can see picture in picture, tap on it and make sure that it is enabled just like this. So after making sure that, now you can simply go to the YouTube, and on the YouTube here you'll have to tap on your profile icon and simply open your profile, from which if you scroll down here you can see there is the option of get YouTube Premium. So if you are inside the US, you don't need YouTube Premium, but if you are outside the US, you will need to get YouTube Premium in order to minimize your YouTube on iPhone. So since I'm in the US state, here I can simply open any videos, for example this one. In today's video. And right now here you can see the video is playing. Now I can simply go back, and just like this here you can see my YouTube screen has been minimized even when I go back from YouTube. And yeah, that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.